Good morning. It is a beautiful Wednesday morning and right now we're at the gym hitting a quick workout and then later we'll be heading to Sentosa Beach just one last time before we are stuck inside for COVID. Say hi, buddy.
Hello, we're in Swettingham right now and we're going to be headed to Vivo City. That's your cue, buddy. Jeez. MD? I didn't even get the link. Buddy, this number is a little slow today. I need to tune into the frequency.
I spend most of my time.
No matter what I do, all I think about is you. I met this chick and she just moved right up the back of me and she...
Welcome to Tanjong Beach Club.
I can see scene of a crime. The only guilty I find staring back at me in the mirror at night, stuck in place just waiting for a green light.
No. Oh shit!
But I can't wait for someone to say I can live my life, my
Oh, what have I done?
What have you done, buddy?
The only comfort I've found is blending in with the crowd. When things go wrong, we'll pass the blame around.
Yeah, baby G.
'Cause I can't wait for someone else to say I can live my life, my
Hey boys, feasting on the
life. I
beach.
keep asking for permission. No, I keep asking for permission. No, I keep asking for permission. Why do I keep asking for permission?
We are playing in the water, splashing in the water. And Harry now floating. Something cool.
Do the long, do the long, do the long.
What a day to be alive. Okay, before the camera runs out of battery, I will end off the vlog here. Tanjong Beach, you were good to us. Now we're good to lunchtime. Wait, what? Yes guys, so we're getting some lunch at Tanjong Beach Club and we have to sit separately because COVID.
The other two are brawling.
Nice food you have there.
I know.
I've got some fish and chips, mate.
I want to
And
go
the boys are there. What are they doing? They're playing Brawl Stars. Oh my god! Fish and chips by the beach club. What an absolute vibe. Doesn't get any better than this, boys. Alright, time to eat. Wowza!
It is creamy.
After like half an hour, because Joseph forgot to order.
And it's my biggest fear, don't you know this? Being left behind.
Alright, the ending of the beach day. The camera survived. We had lunch. And now we're gonna head back to Sweaty. Bye, boys.